Good day everyone. Today's video will be explaining our topic power plant design, which is in solar energy. So first problem. A household consumes 3,000 watts per hour per day. If a 12-volt system is used, how many amp hours should the battery have to store one full day of energy? Assume a 100% efficiency for simplicity. So first, we need to put the given, which is our energy, which is 3,000 watt per hour. And we have voltage, which is 12 volts. And the required here is the battery, which is an amp hour. So the solution is, we have the capacity, which is the energy over the voltage. We have the capacity equals the value we have, which is 3,000 watt hour over 12 volts. That will result in 250 amp hour. So for our second problem, we have solar panel system sizing for a household. A household consumes 15 kilowatt hour per day and wants to install a solar system with battery storage. The location gets 5 hours of peak sunlight per day, and each solar panel has a power rating of 350 watts. So first, we have the given. We have daily consumption of 15 kilowatt hour, peak sunlight hours, which is 5 hours, and panel rating of 350 watts. So our required is total capacity, 2 kilowatts, number of panel, battery storage, amp hour. So we have first our solution, total capacity, which is equals to daily consumption over peak sunlight hours. We have the value of 15 kilowatt hour over 5 hours. Ang silat hours, we have 3 kilowatts. Or we can simplify it to 3,000 watts. Next is B. We have number of panels. We have total capacity over panel rating. We have 3,000 watts all over 350 watts. That will result in 8.57. Since there are no half size or half number of panels, we will round it off to a whole number, which is equals to 9 panels. And lastly, part C, battery storage. We have energy required over system voltage. We have 15,000 watt hour all over 48 volts. So that will result in 312.5 amp hour.